guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and I'm here with my mom Kathy, and today we're going to be making a hot process lavender orange soap.
We don't do this kind of soap very often because we can't do all the designs that we can do with cold process soap method. But we like doing it when we are like in a pinch, we need more soap because it only takes a couple weeks to get a nice hard bar. It doesn't really need to cure because it's ready to be used right away out of the pot, out of the mold. But we let it cure for a couple weeks because we want a harder bar. If you use it right away, there's nothing wrong with that, but the bar is not going to be very hard. It's going to be softer and it doesn't last very long. That's why we do that. Okay, we're going to go and show you how we make ours. We probably don't make it like other people. I don't know, everybody has their own thing, but you know, the process is very similar. It doesn't mean the way I make it is wrong because it comes well all the time. So let's go and make some hot process soap.
Let's get soaping!
Hi everyone, this is Kathy, and what I'm trying to do today is I'm going to try to make hot process soap. I didn't make this in a very long time. I hope I remember all the steps. The reason why I'm making this is because I'm running out of cold process soap. So we're going to try to do something, you know, hot process, so it doesn't have to cure for so long. Like cold process needs to cure 4 to 6 weeks. This only a week or two, but you can use the soap right away because it's already solidified when you take it out of the crock pot. So that's what we're gonna do tonight, and we're gonna show you how we do it. So right now I have my coconut oil melting in the pot here in the crock pot. I'm making a Bastille kind of a recipe here. I'm using coconut oil, olive oil, and a little bit of castor oil. So we'll see how that goes. So let's wait for the crock pot to melt my coconut oil, and then we'll go and put the other two oils in there. Okay, so my coconut oil is all melted, and I'm gonna go and put in the other oils. I'm gonna put the olive oil first. Yeah, it's a lot of olive oil in here that's sticking to the whole thing here. Okay, and then I'm going to put my castor oil. Castor oil is a very thick oil. It's very kind of heavy looking, like almost like molasses. To me, that's what it looks like. So thick. Okay, so we have almost all of it there except for the lye, and I'm gonna go put my gloves on because I don't want to start making soap and not having gloves on, and I don't want to get a chemical burn, so I'm gonna go put my gloves on. Should have done it before, but I'll do it right now. Don't forget to put gloves on when you do soaping with lye and high gears. So I'm gonna go put my goggles and my fashionable goggles on and my gloves, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, now I'm gonna put my lye in there, my lye solution. Okay, in there because they are the same, almost the same temperature. Okay, so the lye solution is in there, and I put my crock pot on low. I don't want it to be on high because that would be really weird. It won't work very well, not for me anyway. Okay, so, and I do have colourant, and I have some fragrance oil here, a mixture of lavender 4042 and orange, because I'm out of lavender oil essential oil, so we put two together. But anyway, now we're gonna burp our blender and we're gonna start and we're gonna blend. I'm gonna put the colorant in now. Okay, so I'm gonna put the colorant in now. Just a little purple. That's it. All right. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that's ready to go now. We're going to let it cook now. So I'm going to clean my blender a little bit here. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. See, it's thickening it up here, but it's not too thick. It's nice and mixed in. Make sure that all the colorant is in there. Mixed in. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let it be and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. And we'll check the crock pot in 15 to 20 minutes to see how it's doing. Okay? And it's on low. Okay? I have my crock pot on low. So I'm low setting. Okay? So let's put the lid on. Kelsey, can you please give me the lid? Thank you. And we're gonna wait 15 minutes and check it. Okay guys, now I've been stirring it because it looks like it's separating, but it's so good because it has to cook more. So we're gonna let it cook a little more and we come back and see how it's going. But you know, it looks really good. See how it looks like it's separating? But actually it's doing its thing. Okay, so we're gonna stir again a little bit. And now it's been like about, I don't know, like 20 more minutes. Kelsey?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna wait 20 more and check on it. Don't walk away from this when you make this, if you make it, because it can get really hot and can volcano out of the pot. We don't want that to happen to us. That's why we're really close here. We're watching it all the time. We're not going anywhere. Okay guys, so let's go for about 20 more minutes. Okay guys, I'm stirring it now because it's puffing up and it's almost there. It's getting really, really hot. So trying to make sure that it doesn't burn. It's getting there. It's translucent now, very translucent. It's getting there. So we're going to let it cook for a little bit longer and we're going to be ready pretty soon to mold it. Put our fragrance oil in there and mold it. Alright, so we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I think my soap is ready. See the way it looks? I'm going to let it cool down a little bit because I'm going to use our essential oil. Is what? The flush point is 150?
Yes.
So we're going to let it cool a little bit so we can do that, okay? Because now it's too hot. It's about 185, right? So we're going to let it cool down a little. And then we're going to finish it up. Okay guys, so I'm putting a little bit of my essential oils in there. I put some mica in there because I want a little bit of more color in there. So the soap is ready. Just putting a little bit of essential oils in there, that's all. Oh, it smells so nice now. What do you think, Kelsey? What do you think, Kelsey? Does it smell nice?
Yes, it smells good.
Well, I just hope this works in the mold. I'm almost done here. We're gonna put it in the mold right now, in a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna just put it in the mold here. This is very different from the other method that we do. So this is a process. It's very thick. I'm gonna go and wash my spoon over here. I'll be back and I'll put it in there. Okay everyone, this is the next day. We made this hot process lavender and orange soap here. It's a rustic kind of soap. I didn't do any design, just let it be the way it was. And we're going to cut it today. And the bar is going to be a little bit bigger. They're going to be about 1.25 inch bars because it's a lot shorter than my other soaps. So let's go and do this. Let's see how it came out inside. It's still really kind of, not soft, but it's still, you know, water content is still in there. But look, it's really nice. It looks really nice. It smells really, really good. And it's a more like rustic type of soap that I do. I mean, doesn't have any designs. It's really, really simple. Because our process, you can't really do complicated designs like you can do with called process. So we're doing this a little bit of our process soap because we are running out of soap at our stand, at our booth. So we need to make more soap, and these as cures in a couple of weeks. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it cure for a couple of weeks. But I like it the way it came, and it smells amazing. It's orange and 4042 lavender. Very nice smell. And I already tried a little bit of it because it's ready to use just after the cook. But we're going to let it stay for a couple of weeks. Week and a half maybe, because it needs to harden. Because there's a lot of water content in there. It still needs to cure a little bit.
And if you'll notice, it looks a little like purple marble.
It does.
Or like an amethyst crystal.
Alright, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day, great night, wherever you are, and don't forget to be nice to each other. Bye, and